Hello, today in this video I am going to show you how to remove Ubuntu from dual boot setup. First I am going to boot into the Windows. Okay, so now we have logged into our Windows. Now we are going to delete the Ubuntu from our drive. So first we need to open the disk management. Now we have to look for a disk that doesn't have a drive name. So here we can see that this drive of 47.54 GB doesn't have a drive name, and this was the size of the Ubuntu I had selected for the dual boot. So now we have to delete this partition. So right click here and then yes. So now we can see that this storage has become unallocated. Now that we have unallocated space, we have to extend the C drive, but we can see we cannot extend the volume as this healthy recovery partition is coming in between. So we need to remove it, but if we right click here we won't get any option to delete it. So we need to remove this from command prompt. So we need to open the command prompt as administrator. Now we need to open disk part, then we need to list disk, then we need to select disk 0 as a recovery partition, and the free space both are in the disk 0. So select disk 0. Now we need to list partition. So here we can see this partition 4 is the recovery partition, so we need to delete it. First we have to select it, select partition 4. Now we need to delete this partition, delete partition, override. So we can see that this partition has been deleted successfully. Now if I open this disk management, we can see it has been disappeared. Now we are getting the option to extend the volume, so let's extend it. So we can see 50097 MB is available for us. So we need to kept around 700 MB for the recovery partition. So let's take the 9200. Next, finish. So we can see our C drive has been extended and we have allocated space of 899 MB. Now that we have deleted Ubuntu and extended our C drive volume, now we have to restore the Windows bootloader so that whenever we open the Windows, it would open easily. So we are again opening the command prompt and the disk part. So first we list a partition. So here we can see our C drive has been extended and we can see there is a partition 1 with the name system of size 100 MB. So this partition contains the file of EFI from which we have to delete the Ubuntu folder. So we have to select this partition, select partition 1. Now we need to assign a letter to it so that we can open the folder and remove the Ubuntu folder from it. We can open the drive and remove the Ubuntu folder from it. So assign letter equals to Z. So now the letter has been assigned. Now we will open this disk. We open the file explorer, this PC, and we'll open this local disk. So we can see we cannot open it directly without permission. So we are going to open this in a different way. So we have to open the task manager, then run a new task, then browse. From here select the local disk set. So from here we had opened it, then open the EFI folder and then delete this Ubuntu folder. So we have successfully deleted this Ubuntu folder. Now we need to remove this drive from the file explorer. So remove letter equals to Z. So it has been successfully removed. So at this point we have extended our C volume and delete Ubuntu from our disk and restored the Windows bootloader. Okay, so now we are going to reboot the system to check that we had done everything correct. So here we can see we didn't got the option of choosing Ubuntu and Windows during the time of boot. So we have successfully removed the dual boot setup of Ubuntu. Thanks for watching this video.